Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Sunday. Today I'm going to show you what you will find in the kits if you should buy them. And we're going to go through all the simple um, details that are there and show you how easy it is to make a box of cards. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, every box, well, it looks like this. That's the box you would get your kit in. Comes with an instruction sheet to show you how to do all the different cards. And there's usually about 3 sets of cards, and it will give you detailed instructions on what to do. Everything that you need is in here. Now you can get 2 different kits. One is a stamping kit, and the other one is just assemble the cards together. So I'm going to show you both. Alright, in your stamping kit, you're going to get your set of stamps and the block to put the stamps on so that you can stamp it, and your ink. And these inks are called ink spots. So they're small, but they're just the perfect size for your kit. Alright, and then you will also get all your adhesives. So you might get dimensionals and glue dots. And then you're going to get your embellishments. And I hope you can see that. I tried to put it on something dark so you could see it. But those are little raindrops. Alright. And then some twine. Alright, that's all that's in the this is all part of the stamping kit that I opened up. Along with it, you're going to get 3 different card bases. And by the way, this particular kit is called No Matter the Weather. And you're going to get 3 different card bases and your cards that you will be able to put your base on once you get it all done. Alright. Along with that, you will get punch-out pieces and your labels that you will stamp your sentiments on. Okay? And then, of course, what's making cards without your envelopes? Alright? So it will have that as well. I put one together, real simple, and that was the one that I started to show you what the card base was. I stamped on the raindrops, even put a couple clear ones in there. I don't know that you're going to be able to see that, but there's a couple clear ones on there. I took the punch out of the boots and I lined them up with hers. I also stamped the puddles. I put some twine on it, and I stamped "You are capable of amazing things" on my label. And then I glued it all together, and there it is. A very simple, nice card. And here's my envelope. Alright. Now for the non-stamping cards. Again, you'll have 3 different kinds of cards in there. And each of these kits holds 9 cards. Every kit will hold anywhere from 8 to 10 cards, depending upon what you're planning on doing. And even some of the kits will be treat boxes. There's one that's a square box, another one that's a pillow box, where you can put treats in them. Alright, again, in this one, it comes with the instruction sheet. And let's see, what did I do with that little black square or rectangle so that I can show you your embellishments. These are little rhinestones. Okay. And of course your adhesives. There's some mini dimensionals and some mini glue dots. Of course, you'll get your envelopes. They have 3 different designs here. Now, the card that I did was this butterfly. Try to get at it. The butterfly lace. Here, let me get these out of the way so we can see what we're doing here. The butterfly lace card that lays right on top of here. Isn't that pretty? And it makes a nice little overlay that way. I used the rhinestone embellishments to put on the card, and then I also used the sentiments that come along with them. Now, what's fun about these sentiments is that you have them all in different languages. So let's say you were from a German descent and your children were wanting to make a card for grandma. They could send it in German and it would be something very special. So all your labels will have the English and whatever other languages you would like to use. Okay? So all I did was assemble that. I put the lace card on top, put my little rhinestones on and my saying, and voila, the card was done. So it was very, very easy. I finished it very quickly. So those are the types of cards that you will get. Again, the stamping one, and there's a stamping one and a non-stamping one. The stamping ones are $19 plus tax, and the non-stamping are $12 plus tax. So depending upon what type of kit you want to do is what you would order. They are only ordered online. You cannot, they will never be in a catalog, okay? Let me get myself back up here. You can only order them online. And you know, now it's a great time to get together with your friends that you haven't seen for a while and just catch up on old times and enjoy these simple cards that you can put together. And I can see people sitting and just doing their own box. I can also see sharing the boxes so that everybody gets a little taste of them. So it's like I said, it's really easy to do. So if you need any help and you want to throw a little party with the kits, let me know and I will contact you. We'll talk about what needs to be done and we'll get her done. That's my Simple Sunday for today. Thank you so much for joining me. You have a great day and we'll see you on Tuesday.